Yes. So sage Vishwamitra took whom? Ram and Lakshman, right? So Ram को ले जाने के लिए आए थे. He came to take Ram, but Lakshman also, because Lakshman is very dear. मतलब he is very affectionate towards Ram. So he said, I will also go along. So then Vishwamitra took them to the forest, right? And he wanted to have Lord Ram do what? किस लिए ले जा रहे थे?
Two demons who were like disturbing his growing flesh.
Yes.
Disturbing his yagna.
Yes, so sages were doing some yagna in the forest and they were disturbing him, and in a very bad way. Na? So they were disturbing him every time they started a yagna, so they were coming and disturbing the yagna. Starting the yagna, while end, yes. So in the yagna they were disturbing that. So now we discussed that King Dashrath, जैसे अभी किसने बताया था कि वो 2 बार फेंट हो गए थे, 2 बार फेंट हो गए थे, right? So he was very attached to Lord Ram, but then also by the end he sent him, convinced him to send them to Vishwamitra that they will be safe, right? But it was very hard for Dashrath Maharaj. But what made Dashrath Maharaj send him? Though he was convinced, but what's the reason? Can you think of something?
Because that the God will protect me.
Yes.
That's because Vishwamitra Muni is like a powerful sage.
Mm-hmm.
And if they deny him, they'll be cursed.
Okay, so he was not a cursing sage like one. He will not curse, but एक और बहुत important reason था. Sages यज्ञ क्यों कर रहे थे?
For the welfare of the world.
Right, welfare of the world, right? And the demons were disturbing them, right? So Dashrath Maharaj ने क्या सोचा फिर? What is the duty? Duty of attachment or duty of responsibility? What was important? Right? Because Dashrath Maharaj was the king of Ayodhya and he did not want कि हमारे जो अयोध्या में जो वासी हैं वो disturbed रहे. So he took what? Responsibility. He took the vow of responsibility over duty of attachment. Yes, है ना? So he wanted to be responsible for the अयोध्या के जो लोग थे उनके लिए वो responsible होना चाहते थे citizens के लिए. So he took the vow of responsibility over attachment. So he sent both Ram and Lakshman to the forest, right? So and Ram and Lakshman were where? In a palace. They were in a palace, right? Very opulent. Na? Every time they were all in opulence. Everything was there. Now they had to go to where? Forest. So was it very nice occasion or very nice position to go in a forest? Can we go out in a forest and stay there?
Yes.
Yes, you can. What challenges do you think you will face there?
Tigers and lions.
Okay. You never know.
She loves animals, so why don't she go to the forest and sit on the tiger?
No, I'm not asking. I'm asking a question. What challenges will you face if you have been asked to go to a forest? Water, food, shelter, clothing, insects, right? No food, no shelter. And what more? So we should no mama very nice. But they took the challenge just to take care of the citizens of Ayodhya. They went ahead, right? So this is kind of austerity. You know? Austerity is important in life or not? We should do austerities. Should we do austerities? What kind of austerity do we do? Do we do some austerity? Yes, एकादशी व्रत. कोई तरीके की तपस्या हम करते हैं? तपस्या मतलब कोई austerity, कुछ मतलब something to मतलब कंफर्ट जोन से बॉडी को कंफर्ट जोन से निकाल के कुछ हम करते हैं. Like we do Govardhan Parikrama, so that is also an austerity, na? Walking for 21 kilometers. Is that austerity or not? Yes? You have some questions, Jia?
Dhruv Maharaj could do it.
Yes, Dhruv Maharaj did austerity. Na? He was there for 6 months.
How much time will we finish the whole Ramayana?
Whole Ramayana. It will take some months, like 40 months.
40 months?
It's okay. Is there a problem?
40 months or weeks?
40 weeks, sorry, I'm sorry, weeks. ठीक है, so is austerity important for us? Who will answer the question? Is important for us or not? Austerity हमारे लिए important है कि नहीं है? तपस किस लिए? एकादशी व्रत से हमें क्या मिलता है? Any one good reason that we do एकादशी व्रत? One reason is that it pleases Krishna, but for our benefit, how does it help it?
कि मतलब हम कंफर्ट जोन से जो मतलब हम इतना जंक फूड खा रहे हैं ये सब कर रहे हैं एक दिन के लिए सिर्फ हम आलू खाएं
आलू ही खाएंगे. Yes. So this is a kind of sense control, है ना? So when we are able to withdraw our senses, हम अपने senses को withdraw कर पाते हैं, control कर पाते हैं, and this happens with determination, है ना? तो determination.
in Ekadashi which we are in tapasya you can eat fries
You can eat fries.
you can eat fruit
Okay, but
Indian cakes.
very nice, है ना? So yes, so एकादशी is also it is meant for tapasya, but हम थोड़ा सा उसको comfortable कर लेते हैं कि yes, at least for the pleasure of Krishna we do it. We do not eat grains, but yes, it helps us to be determined that if we get determination, right? So it is very important, right? In other fields also we get focus. फिर हमें फोकस भी मिलता है, डिटर्मिनेशन भी मिलता है कि अगर हम अपने सेंसेस को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, बट अगर हम अपने सेंसेस को फ्री छोड़ देते हैं, है ना, देन इट गेट्स डिफिकल्ट. सो वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू कंट्रोल. फिर हमारे जो कंट्रोल कर पाते हैं हम अपने माइंड को, वो हम नहीं कर पाते. सो एकादशी इज़ वन डे, इट कम्स एवरी 15 days टू मेक अस सेंस कंट्रोल करने में हमें हेल्प करती है एंड टू मेक अस डिटर्मिन्ड, राइट? सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो likewise Lakshman and Ram were doing austerity for the duty of responsibility towards the citizens of Ayodhya. So they went ahead, they were walking with Vishwamitra Muni. They walked for around 12 miles and they were walking along Suraya river, right? So they were just walking and in between Vishwamitra was telling them various stories and various legends according to the places they were visiting. तो धीरे धीरे वो आगे बढ़ रहे थे and then they went like so. जब वो आगे बढ़े थे तो जब वो हम पर आगे पहुँचे, सुरैया रिवर एक जगह पे आके गंगा जी से मिल रही थी, राइट? सो लाइक वी नो ना, संगम होता है कहीं कहीं रिवर्स का, द 2-3 rivers come and meet there. तो जब वो आगे पहुँचे तो एक जगह पे गंगा जी सुरैया रिवर से मिल रही थी एंड देन दे टुक रेस्ट देयर. वहाँ पर उन्होंने रात को रेस्ट किया, मॉर्निंग में उठे. सो दे परफॉर्म देयर मॉर्निंग ड्यूटीज़. उन्होंने नदी में नहाया और उन्होंने अपनी प्रेयर्स करी, मेडिटेशन करी, राइट? जैसे हम भी करते हैं, राइट? सुबह मॉर्निंग में उठ के हमें वी शुड डू आर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, जो भी हमारी ड्यूटीज़ हैं वी शुड टेक केयर ऑफ देम. एंड उसके बाद वहाँ पर विश्वामित्र मुनि ने उनको रेडी करना था, राइट? ही वॉज टेकिंग देम टू किल द डीमंस. तो राम और लक्ष्मण को रेडी करना था सो दैट दे कैन बी ट्रेन टू टेक केयर ऑफ द डीमंस. जो फाइट करना था, बैटल करना था उसके साथ. तो उन्होंने उनको 2 मंत्र सिखाए, अति एंड बल एंड अति बल. Now 2 mantras were there that were given to Lord Ram. So there were 2 mantras and they helped to control hunger. Right? They were so powerful mantras. तो उनको अगर वो उन mantras को recite करेंगे, so they will not feel hunger, they will not feel thirst, they will not feel fatigue. मतलब वो थकेंगे नहीं. They will also not feel अति बल and अति बल. बल and अति बल. 2 mantras. बल and अति बल. Yes. Bal ati bal. Yes. 2 mantras given. उनसे fatigue नहीं होता, fever नहीं होता, hunger नहीं लगती, thirst नहीं लगती, and we also get wisdom. हमें wisdom भी मिलता है that we are able to win the arguments. We are able to or Lord Ram is able to win the arguments or any intellectual arguments that they have with anybody and any battle that he confronts. तो उनसे वो मंत्रास के द्वारा फाइट कर सकते थे. सो हाउ पावरफुल द मंत्रास आर, राइट? वी नो कि जब यज्ञ करते थे तो पहले मैचस्टिक होता था. मैचस्टिक होता था पहले. यस, अग्नि को भी किससे बुलाते थे? मंत्र के द्वारा ही बुलाया जाता था. सो यस, सो द मंत्रास वर वेरी पावरफुल. हमारा कौन सा मंत्र है? कलयुग का कौन सा मंत्र दिया गया है? कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे, हरे रामा 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 हरे हरे. सो दिस इज इक्वली पोटेंट. जो हमारे को मंत्र मिला है, दिस इज इक्वली पोटेंट, राइट? बहुत ज़्यादा पोटेंट मंत्र है, बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग मंत्र है. द ओनली थिंग इज दैट वी हैव टू चैंट इट वेरी अटेंटिवली. अगर हम अटेंटिवली उसको चैंट करेंगे, बोलेंगे और अच्छे से सुनेंगे, देन यू कैन डू वंडर्स. We don't know the potency because we are not doing it in the right way. अगर हम उसको right way में करेंगे, definitely हमको उसकी potency मिलेगी.
Do lots of austerity and then say Hare Krishna. And then will come.
Then you will become mystic, but we don't have to become a mystic. हमें mystic नहीं बनना. What जो हमें करना है हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र से हमें क्या प्राप्त करना है? What do we have to? What do you desire from Hare Krishna Mahamantra? What is the highest thing we desire?
Krishna Prem.
Yes, so we are desiring Krishna प्रेम. इसलिए हम mystics में नहीं जाते कि हम fire को लाएं या water को लाएं.
And
ना?
some people can walk on water.
Yes, some people can walk on water. So we don't go in that mode. Though Hare Krishna Mahamantra is potent to do that also, but we follow one path. We follow the path that we have to receive Krishna Prem.
Imagine if you see one person walking on the water.
So it's good.
Do bulb
Magic.
and Arjun.
ठीक है. So they got the 2 mantras and they were getting ready for their journey ahead. So next day they proceeded. तो उन्होंने जब उनको मंत्रास मिल गए तो उसके बाद वो उन्होंने अपनी जर्नी को प्रोसीड किया आगे. And then what happened? They came to a territory which was very deserted territory. You know, there were animals who were howling. There were beasts. इतनी आवाज़ें आ रही थी, बहुत सारी गंदी गंदी आवाज़ें आ रही थी. Birds थी, बहुत loud sound की, है ना? मतलब chirping sound नहीं था, melodious sound नहीं था. But they were vultures and many wild beasts were there. So Ram and Lakshman, like we were walking all through a very serene, beautiful place. Na? Soft grass was there, trees were there. Now suddenly what happened? Why is this area like this? है ना? तो they asked Vishwamitra Muni कि यहाँ पर क्या है? Why is this area so desolate, so deserted? So Vishwamitra Muni told them that here एक demon रहती है. ना? Her name is, who knows the name? ताड़का, है ना? तो उस एरिया में ताड़का रहती थी. She was a yaksha. वो पहले जो यक्षा थी, लेकिन something happened and because of that she got a curse. Something happened with her. Yaksha Brahman. Yaksha. This is a kind of yes, yaksha थी वो. तो but then she got a curse and she became a demon.
What is the meaning of Yaksha?
Yaksha is a kind of like being, like animals होते हैं, human beings होते हैं, different kinds of animals. तो yaksha भी एक monster है.
Dinosaur.
Not a dinosaur, but it's a kind of being. No? So she was a yaksha and she had a husband also, but something happened between her husband and Agastya Muni, and Agastya Muni cursed her husband. So because of that, she husband को revenge लेने के लिए she attacked Agastya Muni, and Agastya Muni in return cursed her to become a demon.
Again, husband. She was a husband.
No, her husband was cursed by Agastya Muni. Then she attacked Agastya Muni. She was
Revenge of her husband.
yes, to take revenge, and she was as powerful as 1,000 elephants.
And then she was again cursed by
Agastya Muni, yes, herself and her son Maricha. So both of them became a demon.
Her husband.
Sudau,
Some demonic demon.
yes, Sudau.
Yaksha.
Yes, Yaksha, one of the Yaksha. Right, so then she became a demon and her son also Marich. So she was residing in that area, and whoever was approaching that area, she used to attack and kill them. So she was very revengeful. She wanted to kill anybody, whoever was coming in her area.
She should only take revenge from Agastya Muni.
Ha, that's what, okay, but she became a demon and she was very furious for everybody. Anybody who was approaching her, she used to kill them.
Even if they didn't say
Ha, even if they did not say anything to her, then also she was very, yes. Right? She was always in anger, always frustrated, and she wanted to kill anybody who was coming in her area. Now, when Lord Sri Ram and Lakshman came with Vishwamitra, Vishwamitra ordered Lord Ram to kill her. So when Lord Ram heard that he has to kill a woman, na? She was a woman, na? So he was little, like we know he's a Maryada Purush, you know? And in your Maryada, women have to be protected. Women have to be protected. But in
but girls are strong.
so that is what now we will come to next. Now when Lord Ram thought that how can I kill a woman? But when Vishwamitra Muni told him about what qualities she has, na? So Lord Ram then got convinced that yes, though she is a woman, but she is very demonic, so I have to take care of other living beings who are there, I have to definitely kill her, right? So Lord Ram sent a arrow which was as
But women's also really strong because boys can't get a baby out of their tummy, and then the mother has to be going through so much of pain,
Yes.
and the boys also can't do that.
Yes, very nice. Yes, all for that matter, women have different qualities and man have different qualities, you know, and women are strong. It's not that women are not strong. She was strong, but she was taking advantage, or she was using her strength in a wrong way.
The male seahorse. The male seahorse is responsible for getting babies. The male seahorse.
Okay, we can
But
stop this conversation here.
Men
Okay.
and women, they complement each other. We have different qualities, and that's how we come together. We complement each other.
Yes.
They're mostly women also only in this group.
No, it's equal.
They're all Matajis almost.
No, it's equal ratio. Krishna makes it like
Yeah.
Krishna makes it like that they're equal in ratio. Some
When we see Krishna and Radharani together, that's how Krishna has made this.
right.
So then
Okay,
they
so
ask
she
you
wa-
what
So no. So Tarka was a woman, though she was in a woman body. She had to be protected, but because she was using her strength of 1,000 elephants or whatever strength she has, she was using in a wrong way. So she had to be killed by Lord Ram, and Lord Ram was convinced. And with a thunderbolt, with the arrow which was as powerful as thunderbolt, it happened after a battle. It was like when Lord Ram approached this area. तब जो उन्होंने अप्रोच किया तो ताड़का को पता चल गया, तो ताड़का ने अटैक किया. सो देयर वाज अ टू एंड फ्रो बैटल बिटवीन विश्वामित्र एंड लॉर्ड राम एंड ताड़का. सो एक बैटल हुआ. फाइनली उस बैटल में क्या हुआ, एक फाइनल जो एरो था दैट वाज एज स्ट्रॉन्ग एज अ थंडरबोल्ट दैट वाज स्ट्रक ऑन ताड़का's chest, and that is how she was killed. ठीक है.
What about the sun? Did the sun take any event?
No, sun will come. He is not yet in scene, right? So that is how. Exactly. Yes. ठीक है. So that is how Tadka's life came to end, and the area became again peaceful, and again there were trees and forest. Everything was there.
But where
Okay.
was the sun when Tarka was being killed?
Sorry.
But where was
He was not around that time. Not with her. He might have been in different place. He was not around. Okay. So then they moved ahead. Again they took rest in that region again, and next day morning they again went ahead. Okay. Okay. Now finally they came to the hermitage of Lord Vishwamitra.
Lord?
Sorry, Sage Vishwamitra. Sage Vishwamitra के hermitage में वहाँ पहुँच गए. ठीक है. There were other sages also. They were doing there. बहुत बड़ा था वो एरिया, और वहाँ पे बहुत सारे, हाँ, एक आश्रम था. और हाँ, वी आर कंप्लीटिंग दिस स्टोरी. ठीक है. तो वहाँ पर एक आश्रम था जिसका नाम था सिद्ध आश्रम. सो दिस वाज आल्सो फेमस. ये सिद्ध आश्रम और भी एक चीज़ के लिए फेमस था. यू नो अबाउट वामन देव एंड बलि महाराज,
Yes.
है ना. तो व्हेन वामन देव केम ऑन अर्थ एंड he stayed there. This was the place. You don't know. So in some other classes when you will come regularly, we might cover that sometime, right? So Krishna as Vaman Dev came to earth sometime in very early days. तो वहाँ पर सिद्ध आश्रम में वहाँ पर उन्होंने थोड़े दिन रुके थे वहाँ पर. ठीक है. So Vaman Dev, he is Krishna himself. He came as Vaman Dev and he stayed there in Siddh ashram. So that is the place where विश्वामित्र का जहाँ पर आश्रम था, पूरा हर्मिटेज था. तो वहाँ पर बहुत सारे सेजेस थे. तो जैसे उन्होंने राम और लक्ष्मण को देखा, so they became very happy, you know, that yes, finally Ram Lakshman have come. बैठ जाओ आराम से. ठीक है. And they paid their respects. उन्होंने उनको अच्छे से वेलकम किया. जैसे कोई भी अगर आता है तो वी वेलकम देम, राइट. तो उन्होंने अच्छे से उनको वेलकम किया और उनको शेल्टर दिया. उनको एक कॉटेज दिया कि आप यू कैन स्टे हेयर. एंड दे ऑफर्ड देम वाइल्ड फ्रूट्स एंड बेरीज, जो भी फॉरेस्ट में अवेलेबल होती हैं, वाइल्ड फ्रूट्स एंड बेरीज एंड वेजिटेबल्स उनको ऑफर किया. और राम एंड लक्ष्मण में एक्सेप्ट किया, है ना. तो हमें क्या चाहिए होता है खाने को? Can we eat wild fruits, berries, vegetables? Yes.
Yeah, there are some poisonous.
Yeah, there are some poisonous, but definitely they will not offer some poisonous things to them. Yeah.
Mataji, did the sages know that Ram and Lakshmanji were the incarnations of Vishnu?
Yes, so sometime back Vishwamitra was getting dreams. I was coming to that. तो विश्वामित्र को ड्रीम आ रहे थे कि लॉर्ड राम हैज़ ऑलरेडी टेकन बर्थ एंड ही हैज़ कम टू प्रोटेक्ट अस, राइट. जब अर्थ में ये सब हो रहा था, जब रावण अपेयर हुआ था अर्थ पे और बहुत सारे डीमंस आ गए थे, तो विष्णु को उन्होंने जाके अप्रोच किया था ना, तो तब उन्होंने बोला था दैट आई विल कम ऑन अर्थ. एंड विश्वामित्र मुनि को ड्रीम आया था जहाँ पे उनको पता लगा था कि अयोध्या में लॉर्ड राम ऑलरेडी आ चुके हैं. दैट इज़ वाई विश्वामित्र वेंट टू अयोध्या एंड गॉट लॉर्ड राम फ्रॉम देयर एंड दे न्यू दैट ही इज़ द इनकार्नेशन ऑफ लॉर्ड ना. तो जब ताड़का को जब ऐसे मारा था लॉर्ड राम ने, तो इंद्रा एंड ऑल द सेलेस्टियल जो बींग्स हैं उन्होंने भी ऊपर से देखा था कि कैसे राम ने ताड़का को मार दिया है. तो वहीं पर उन्होंने ताड़का को मारा है, ताड़का को, है ना. तो उन्होंने इंद्रा ने विश्वामित्र मुनि को बोला कि आप इनको वो सारे मंत्रास दो, सेलेस्टियल मंत्रास दो, जिससे हम सेलेस्टियल वेपन्स को बुला सकते हैं. देयर आर सो मेनी मंत्रास बाय विच वी कैन call the celestial weapons and which will help Lord Ram. अभी आगे बताते हैं, ठीक है. लॉर्ड राम को वो हेल्प करेगा इन टेकिंग केयर ऑफ द जो भी राक्षस अब इनके लाइफ में आएंगे, ठीक है. सो नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग में जब वो वहाँ पर पहुँच गए थे ताड़का को मारने के बाद, विश्वामित्र मुनि ने राम और लक्ष्मण को सारे मंत्रास दिए. तो दे वर वेरी बहुत सारे 1000 मंत्रास ही गेव इट टू हिम. सम ऑफ देम वर फायर मंत्रा, वायु मंत्रा, है ना, एंड वाटर मंत्र. यस, मनुरस्त्र. वन वाज मनुरस्त्र, फायर गॉड से जो मंत्रास थे वो भी दिए, और वायु अस्त्र. यस, सो बहुत सारे, दे वो काइंड ऑफ 1000 मंत्रास लॉर्ड राम वाज गिवन.
मैम, लॉर्ड राम ने पेपर में लिखा था सारे मंत्र.
नो,
याद कैसे हो?
याद हो गए थे. ओनली बाय हियरिंग दे कुड रिमेंबर. कलयुग में हमारी जो है इंटेलिजेंस और मेमोरी हमारी कम है, बट सतयुग में और त्रेता युग में दे हैड वेरी ग्रेट इंटेलिजेंस एंड ग्रेट मेमोरीज. सो दे कुड जस्ट हियर, लाइक परीक्षित महाराज ने जब सुनी थी, परीक्षित महाराज ने क्या सुना था?
श्रीमद् भागवतम.
Yes, श्रीमद् भागवतम. So it was just in one go that he was able to remember that. और उन्होंने बाद में सुनाई भी थी, है ना. जब उन्होंने सुन ली थी तो अपनी मम्मा को भी उन्होंने सुनाई थी.
मैम, हमें एक दिन सिर्फ 2 श्लोक लगाने का रास्ते में तो पूरी भगवत गीता
हाँ, भगवद गीता भागवतम हो गई, and he could recite it again. So that is the kind of memory they had. ना, कलयुग के जीवों की मेमोरी कम होती है, एंड इट हैज़ बीन मेंशन्ड इन भागवतम ऑल्सो कि जो कलयुग के जीव हैं उनकी मेमोरी कम होगी. दे विल बी, लाइफ स्पैन विल बी लेस, इंटेलिजेंस विल बी लेस, दे विल बी quarrelsome. हाँ,
There'll be diseases, there'll be stupid. Wisdom will be less.
Hmm?
Their wisdom will be less.
yes,
They
yes,
will be unlucky.
Diseases.
Unlucky. They will be unlucky.
Why unlucky?
Unlucky.
We got Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Why we are unlucky? It's
हाँ,
up to us.
हाँ, they are, like he is right that कलयुग के people are unfortunate, but yes, because we got the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
If there was
so we are lucky.
If there was one more person from Satya Yug, example, if Vanya was from Satya Yug, she must have been thousands of years old when I was there.
Yeah, Satyug में it was 1 lakh years,
सत्युग में 1 लाख
1 lakh.
और उसके बाद कब से
त्रेता
त्रेता युग में 10,000
10,000,
और फिर
द्वापर 1,000, कलयुग
70.
100 years, maximum 100 years.
maximum
Maximum. And end with people will be 35.
हाँ, towards the end of Kalyug it will be very bad.
No, not 45, 11, 12.
35.
35 के बाद और डिक्रीज होगा.
after when it's about to end, then people will only be 1 year old and then they'll be hung up to 1
ठीक है, so that is how Lord Ram got all the. Okay, back, Govind, Gauranga, no talking. योग, आपके पास कुछ क्वेश्चन है? आपके पास नहीं तो स्टॉप टॉकिंग, ठीक है. सो दैट इज हाउ लॉर्ड राम, उनको कितने मंत्रास दिए थे विश्वामित्र ने? 1000 mantras he got, and he was able to memorize them also.
Mantras, not mantras.
Mantras.
तो 2 दिए थे, बाला and आतिवाल.
Astras, mantras to call. Astras, yes, celestial weapons को call करने के लिए. So once he got them, all the weapons, all the, because जैसे हमारी तुलसी महारानी की एक personified deity है ना, we have Vrinda Devi who personifies Lord तुलसी महारानी. तो all जो भी ये अस्त्रास मिले थे, as Lord Ram was calling them, they all came to Lord Ram and उन्होंने उन सब ने लॉर्ड राम की परिक्रमा करी. और फिर लॉर्ड राम ने उनको बोला कि जब भी मैं आपको कॉल करूँगा, यू प्लीज़ कम एंड हेल्प मी. सो दैट इज़ हाउ दे ऑल केम. उन्होंने सबकी परिक्रमा करी लॉर्ड राम की, और फिर उसके बाद वो वापस चले गए. ऑन द रिक्वेस्ट उन्होंने जब भी बोला, लॉर्ड राम ने बोला जब भी मैं आपको कॉल करूँगा, यू शुड कम एंड हेल्प मी. सो दैट इज़ हाउ दीज वेपन्स आर. किसी ने देखा है रामायण? देखी है जो पहले पुरानी रामायण है, देखिए किसी ने? देखिए. So how when they were having a battle, Lord Ram and Ravan were having a battle, तो कैसे वो arrow को call करते थे and then it used to strike like that, right? So now they have already reached Vishwamitra ashram. Now the next day Vishwamitra was planning to start the yagya, जिसके लिए Lord Ram को वो लाए हैं, and it is supposed to be a 6 days yagya. तो 6 days यज्ञ को उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया and it proceeded well. तो first day, second day, third day, Lord Ram and Lakshman were waiting who will come and attack. तो on the final day, 6th day जब आया, 6th day पे they could see the sky was getting darker and they could see something like negativity was prevailing in the area, है ना. जैसे जैसे 6th day अप्रोच हो रहा था और यज्ञ जो एंड होने वाला था, तो वहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा नेगेटिव एनर्जी आ गई थी और डार्क हो गया था स्काई. और फिर थोड़ी देर में they could see the demons and they could see Marich and Subahu. They came and they started pouring blood. Marich and Subahu.
You know that Marius was about Tarka's husband.
Son. Marich is Tarka's son. Subahu is another demon. He is not related. Marich is Tarka's son. Subahu.
But he's not related.
Subahu is not related.
मम्मा ऐसे जो तारका तो रावण की एक रिलेटिव है, क्योंकि मारीच तो रावण का मामा लगता है कहीं. हाँ,
I can come back on
mention
that.
आता है ना कि रावण अपने मारीच के पास जाके बोलता है कि मामा नहीं, मेरे को राम सीता
मैं
को
check कर
लेना
लूँगी,
है,
मुझे
तो
पता
तुम
नहीं है.
deer बन के जाओ.
तो कुछ मेंशन करता है उसको. हाँ, गोल्डन डियर बन के जाता है, बट आई डोंट नो कि वो उसको कुछ.
मामा ही है.
ओके, वो मुझे नहीं पता.
पर मारीच फिर अभी मरेगा नहीं.
अभी नहीं मरेगा. ठीक है, तो अभी मारीच और सुबाहु आ चुके हैं सीन में एंड दे आर अटैकिंग द सीन. तो वहाँ पर वो ब्लड, पस एंड एवरीथिंग और बैड थिंग्स दे आर थ्रोइंग इनटू द यज्ञ कुंड. फ्लैश फेंक रहे हैं, बहुत गंदा, मतलब एवरीथिंग दे आर डूइंग वेरी बैड थिंग्स आर गेटिंग एंड दे आर एंटरिंग दी यज्ञ कुंड. तो यज्ञ कुंड में वैसे हम क्या डालते हैं? घी डालते हैं ना, आहुति हम डालते हैं. बट अभी क्या हो रहा है, वहाँ पे ब्लड आ रहा है, पस आ रहा है, फ्लैश आ रहा है एंड ऑल काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. एंड और भी बहुत सारे डीमंस हैं वो अटैक कर रहे हैं, राम और लक्ष्मण को अटैक कर रहे हैं विद देयर वेपन्स. लाइक दे हैड जो आयरन की उनके पास, हाँ, आयरन मेसेस से अटैक कर रहे हैं. चारकोल फायर्स से दे आर थ्रोइंग चारकोल फायर्स ऑन राम एंड लक्ष्मण, ऑल द यस. सो दे आर ट्राइंग टू अटैक देम. और इस टाइम जो सारे स्टेजेस हैं वो फियरलेस हैं. पहले तो वो बहुत डर जाते थे, बट नाउ दे आर फियरलेस बिकॉज विश्वामित्र मुनि ने जो उनको राम लक्ष्मण को जो लर्निंग दी है, नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दे नो दैट वी विल बी सेव्ड. सो फाइनली देयर वाज अ बैटल बिटवीन Subahu, Marich and Ram and Lakshman. So what happened, Ram and Lakshman, Ram ji was calling, like उनको जो मंत्रास मिले थे उन्होंने उसको वायु मंत्र से उन्होंने. Any questions? तो उन्होंने वायु मंत्र को कॉल किया, जिससे उन्होंने वायु वेपन बुलाया और मारीच को इतनी दूर फेंका, 1000 माइल, ना 8000 माइल्स उनको. Yes, he was thrown away in the ocean.
Which country?
I don't know the country. Mauritius, he went to Mauritius. So father is telling he went to Mauritius. Okay. So he,
Arabian Sea.
हाँ, so he was thrown very far away. उनको बहुत दूर उनको फेंक दिया. ना? तो similarly और भी demons को, मारीच को.
would have fainted.
Okay. है ना?
तो वो faint हो गया.
हाँ, फेंट हो गए. So he never came back to the battle again with Ram and Lakshman. तो वो उधर ही चले गए. ठीक है. ऐसे और भी demons attack कर रहे थे. तो with the different mantras and different weapons, celestial weapons, Subhahu was killed on that spot itself. Subhahu को वहीं पर मार दिया. ठीक है. Subhahu was killed at that place, but Marich was thrown away from that place.
Why didn't they kill Marich?
Because he was thrown away. Now the story will proceed like we know, na? Marich became a deer
He
later.
went like from one country to another country.
Yes, he went.
So he could just use the aeroplane if he doesn't study
Yes.
Imagine Ramji shooting air.
But again, aeroplane will take so much of time. He was just sent,
Yeah, so if that
thrown.
technology was going on right now, he didn't even have to use aeroplane. He could reach the London from India in like 5 seconds.
Ramji अपना
Ah, so it was like that. It was like that. There were no aeroplanes. Nothing was that. Nothing of that sort was there. ना तब तो ऐसे यान ही होते थे ना पहले तो.
तो इतने थे सही.
हमारे पहले युगों में यान ही होते थे. There were no aeroplanes and ships. ऐसा नहीं होता था. तो through mantras only they used to call aeroplanes celestial yans. जो भी उनके पास vehicle होता था, they were called through mantras only. Like Ravan also came. जब वो आए थे सीता को लेने तो किस में आए थे? क्या नाम था उसका? Yes. ना? So they were.
It was kind of like an aeroplane.
Yeah, it was early airplane. ठीक है. तो अभी उस टाइम पे मशीनरी नहीं होती थी कि they had to be a mechanical engineer who can build a machinery. So through mantras only everything was done. So they were powerful mantras, right? So it was like that. So when God was there, wind से उन्होंने wind के उसको बुलाया celestial mantra से, wind के celestial mantra से wind demon को wind के weapon को बुलाया. उससे सारे जो demons थे उनको सबको उड़ा दिया, है ना? So all the demons and Subhahu. हाँ.
अच्छा, so he blew all with his with the speed of the weapon.
हाँ, because of the wind.
He blew away and then पता नहीं कहाँ गया.
हाँ, he was blown away. Then he fainted. Right?
No. ये अगला फिर later in the story.
Yes. So finally, what happened was Subhahu was killed at that spot only by the means of fire weapon. Subhahu was killed at there itself, and
Then how did he come?
Marich was thrown
How did
away.
he come in a deer form?
That was later.
How did he come after?
Demons have the power, na? Demons have the power to take form of any other animal.
But how did he come from?
वो जैसे भी आया होगा वो रावण तक पहुंच गया था बाद में. He could meet Ravan somewhere down the line. That is how it happened. ठीक है. तो अभी Subhahu is dead at the spot. Marich has been blown away.
So after the deer thing happened, then he died in.
That time he died. ठीक है. So Marich was thrown away. Subhahu was killed at that spot, and all the other demons were killed. So now all the sages and Vishwamitra were happy. They were delighted that now we will be able to do yagya. So this time also यहाँ पर ये जो यज्ञ वो कर रहे थे वो भी sort out नहीं हुआ, अभी नहीं कर पाए. But now in future, because now they do not have any other problems, so they will again do the yagya and they will be able to complete it. Right? So they were very delighted. And what happens next was, now next week what we will cover, that they will go to which place? Anybody has an?
Janak Maharaj's palace.
Yes, they will go to Mithila. They will go to Mithila. So that we will cover next week. Okay? So that is how. And
Now we can play.
no, wait. I will ask some questions and then we will go. Okay?